He actually said it was Derry's walls. So here we go. The time has long gone by, brave boys, 300 years or more, when rebel bands within our walls their face they dare not show. King James and all his rebel bands came up to Bishopsgate with heart and hand and sword and shield. We bade them to defeat. Here we go. We'll fight and don't surrender and come when duty calls. With heart and hand and sword and shield, we'll guard old Derry's walls. For blood flowed down in crimson streams on many's a winter's night. We knew the Lord was on our side to help us in the fight. They nobly stood upon the walls, determined for to die, to fight and gain the victory and raise the crimson high. Here we go. We'll fight and don't surrender and come when duty calls. Heart and hand and sword and shield, we'll guard old Derry walls. At last with one broadside, kind heaven lent us aid. The boom is broke across wide shores, King James he was dismayed. The banner, boys, that floated there was rung aloft with joy. God bless the hand that broke the boom, save Derry's apprentice boys. We'll fight and don't surrender and come when duty calls. Heart and hand and sword and shield, we guard old Derry walls. Here we go. We'll fight and don't surrender and come when duty calls. With heart and hand and sword and shield, we'll guard old Derry walls. Thank you very much, folks. Well, we'll keep it going in that vein for just one more. We have a request to do this next one. It comes from about 200 years ago, and it's about a wee battle that was fought in County Down in a place called Dolly's Brae. And I just know the first verse of it, so I'm going to have to read the second verse off. And it's called Dolly's Brae. Here we go. On the 12th day of July in the year of 49, 100 of our armies men together did combine to help King William on that bright and glorious day, to march around Lord Rawdon's Park and back over Dolly's Brae, to march around Lord Rawdon's Park and back over Dolly's Brae. And when we came to Weir's Bridge, wasn't that a glorious sight, to see so many orange men all willing for to fight, to march around the old remains, the music so sweet to play, and the tune we played was the Protestant boys right over Dolly's Brae. The tune we played was the Protestant boys right over Dolly's Brae. And as we walked along the road, not fearing any harm, their guns upon their shoulder and their broadswords on their arms, until two priests come up to us and their Mr. Spears to say, come turn your in the other road and don't cross Dolly's Brae. Come turn your in the other road and don't cross Dolly's Brae. Oh, 'twas when we came to Dolly's Brae, they were round us on every side. arms upon them and give no time to pray. For the tune we played was the Protestant boys right over Dolly's Brae. For the tune we played was the Protestant boys right over Dolly's Brae. Oh, there was a damsel amongst us all, and one we shall adore. For she wove their eyes around her head, cried Dolly's Brae no more. And if they ever come back again, they'll be 10 times as sore. And we'll christen this King William's Bridge, cried Dolly's Brae no more. Oh, we'll christen this King William's Bridge, cried Dolly.